Welcome to English Online with me, Mattar. This is part 2 of family members. We've previously learned mom, dad, grandma or grandmother, grandpa or grandfather, great-grandma, and great-grandpa or great-grandmother, great-grandfather. We've also learned that mom and dad are your parents, and grandma and grandpa are your grandparents. Great-grandma and great-grandpa are your great-grandparents. If you want to learn more about those members, you can watch the part 1 of family members and you will find the link below in the description. Okay, so now we're going to learn 3 new family members. The first member is your mom's sister or your dad's sister. Your mom's sister or your dad's sister is your aunt. Sometimes you can say it aunt. So your mom's sister or your dad's sister is your aunt or your aunt. Okay, now the second member is your dad's brother or your mom's brother. Your dad's brother or your mom's brother is your uncle. Uncle. Make sure you are saying uncle and not ankle. Ankle is the part that is above your foot. So you cannot say ankle Ahmed. It's a completely different meaning. Make sure you're saying uncle. Your mom's brother or your dad's brother is your uncle. Now the children of your aunt or your uncle or your aunt and your uncle are your cousins. All of them, boys and girls, are your cousins. Your aunts, daughters, and sons are your cousins. Your uncles, daughters, and sons are your cousins. Okay guys, awesome work. Let us know if you have any questions. You can comment below or you can send us a message on our Facebook page. If you want to watch other videos, you can find them on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook page as well. All right, thank you.